Magandang hapon. Narito na ang 5 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Huwebes, September 26, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw, 9 and 25 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw, 1, 3 and 0 in exact order. Ngayong gabi, sa Lotto 642 na may estimated jackpot of 5 million. At ang Super Lotto 649 na may estimated jackpot of 15 million. Schedule ng Lotto draws ngayong gabi. Easy to Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 6D Lotto, Lotto 642, at ang Super Lotto 649. Panoorin natin ang live broadcast every 2 p.m., 5 p.m. at 9 p.m. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.